Hey guys, it's Josh here with Slightly Handy. I got a special treat today. I picked up a planer at a auction site. So here's what I got. You'd see it is still in the plastic, although the box is pretty beat up here. So we're gonna see what the inside of it looks like. I bought this sight unseen. I actually only saw a picture of the box. It looked, you know, like this, so I'm a little nervous to see what's in the box. I got it for a total, I think it came out to like $400, I think. That was a bit of $340 plus taxes and fees and whatnot. DW735X. It's supposed to come with the in-feed and out-feed tables along with an extra set of blades. So we're gonna open it up and see what's actually in the box. Looks like 3 blades in there, I'm thinking. 3 blades. Nice. All right, wire's still zip tied on until, wire tied on, so doesn't seem like any wood's been run through it. So I'll get it assembled and we'll go from there. So the in-feed and out-feed tables, they don't even bolt on. There's these 2 bolts here. If you look real close, this one pushes in. If I can get it to show. So it just, you hook the one side in, and then the other side you push that button and it slides on. So if I can get this to work, hook that side on, and then there you go. And then the in-feed table can fold it in and out. So, not bad, not bad. And then there's also this dust chute, which looks like it probably just hooks on the one side. Again, so it's got this button here, this spring-loaded button. So that hooks into that little hole there. And then the other side has a little notch there this thing slides into. So that's if you put a dust chute on here. Of course, I don't have a dust chute to put on. I don't have a vac that'll work real well with this, so I'll just leave that off for now and leave the blades and dust chute set aside along with that thing you don't need there. And yeah, I think we should be good. Oh, that's cool. So looking in here, you can't really see it in there. Let me see if I can get a flashlight. Turn my phone on here. So in there is a fan that will actually expel the dust, which is pretty cool. Right there. Cool. So let's hook it up and we'll see how it does. All right, so to try this out, I got this piece of poplar here. It's just painted poplar. I had gotten a 1x6 and glued it together to make a handrail for my house, a banister. So I'm just gonna run this through, take some of the paint off and see how it goes. All right, so that is on the dimensioning, 96 cuts per inch, not the finishing option. And it's probably kind of hard for you to see, but this thing is smooth as glass, and there is zero snipe on the end, and I didn't do anything to prevent it on either end. So that is nice. So I'm gonna run it back through the other side, see how it turns out, and then I will switch it over to the finishing cut, and you can see how well it works on that side. So turn this back on. Just beautiful. So that's planed both sides with zero snipe. Really really happy with this thing. That blower is incredible. So let me just show you how far across the shop it's blown stuff. So you can see the blower comes out right about there, and the V mark it leaves. So all this stuff was from planing. And then way over behind the lathe over there, unfortunately near the sump pump off the clean, is all of the chips that I was blowing out. So it blew it the whole way across the garage. So really powerful little machine there. Pretty happy.